Hello and welcome guys to my channel. Just gonna show you guys how we do the weaning food for the parrots, and this is what I'm using for my parrot. Here you have a little diagram which shows you, explains to you the size of the bird, how much to feed it. So what I've done now, I've just boiled up the kettle water. I got myself a little glass tub here now. I put in 2 scoops. This is my 3rd scoop I'm putting in there now. And what you do, just add a bit of water to it. You don't want it being too watery, and neither do you want it being too thick. Get yourself a little fork like that so you can get into the groove and give it a little mix. Now you can see that that's very thick. So what you do, you add some more water to it, and you can add water slowly as you like. The water's very hot, and what's going to happen, this is going to get thicker because the water's hot. It's going to expand like wallpaper paste. So you can still see it, it's gone a little bit more. This is how you want it, like that, but the water's hot, so it's gonna get thicker, something like that. Just a little bit more water to it. And you see it's very little bit watery there. Now this will harden up now in about another 5 minutes, because the water is very hot, and obviously you can't give it to the bird too hot, and neither do you want to feed it cold. It's not good to give them cold. It's bad for the crop, and too hot. If it is too hot, they'll take the food, but it'll burn their crop. So guys, I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna let it cool down. And also, we're using this product here as well. And what this does, this helps the bird as well to go to poop as well. And it's got vitamins, and it's like a little antibiotic. And every 2 days, I just get a little bit of this, very little amount. Put it. I'll give that a good old mix in there. And then I'm just going to use a syringe to feed the bird. I'm going to let this cool down. You can touch the side, and it's really hot. This is going to be for 1 feed. I don't like to make it all in one go. Every time I'm feeding the bird twice a day, so what I'm going to be doing, I'll do another one at the end of the night. And then this, which I opened up, goes back into here. Keep it nice and airtight. And what I've done, I've put some in here, so I'm using it from here. So I fills it up from this into there. And I can go up top of the fridge right here. And this is now airtight. You see that, guys? See it thickening up? Because the water is hot, it's like cooking it as well. You can see it. So you want this just to run down the syringe. And I'll show you how I feed the bird now. Get yourself a thermometer or touch the side so it's warm, but you can touch it like this. Right now it's very hot. Let's see if I get the temperature for up here. Yeah, or you can get yourself a little thermometer or something you can put in there to check the temperature. You want it about 40, a little bit warm with that. You don't want it cold. And you got to check the bird's crop to make sure that it is nice and empty in the morning. So that's that one stage done. I'm just going to give this a few minutes till it cools down. This is absolutely hot, very hot. If you were in a rush and you were trying to cool it down, you can put this into a bit of water, submerge this into the water, cold water, and let it stir it to bring the temperature on, just like you do to a baby. It's really simple, guys, and very easy to do as well. So that's done. My parrot is nearly 9 months old, you know, and you could be feeding him for over a year. So she's eating pellets, she's eating nuts and everything, but I'm just making sure that she's still getting a little bit of this, which is giving her lovely colors and keeping her tip-top condition, and that she's fed. Until she completely rejects all this, we will stop giving her this food. So that's how you make the weaning food for the parrots. And I'll try to do a video now to show you how I use a syringe to feed the bird. So this is a syringe, guys, and originally when I had Scarlet, I was giving her 60 ml 3 times a day. Now I just gives it twice, so she eats the other food as well. It's still very, very hot. Hello, pretty girl. She knows it's food time. Just gonna let that cool down a little bit more. Hello, Scarlet. She'll be chilling in this aviary for a bit. Come in. Stepping up. Good girl. Right. This door I leave it open as well, so she can fly back into this perch, fly into that perch, go back into a cage. She wants a bit of food there, got food there, got food here. It's really early in the morning, it's about 9 o'clock. Weather's about 10. So the horses at the back, they got the jackets on. So my pigeons. This is just perfect now. But what you do, you put this into here, you suck it up. Suck it up. And what I'm gonna do, I've got this perch by here. As you can see, she flew already to it. She knows it's time to be fed. So what we do, just hold the beak up like this, insert it to the mouth, and you can see. You can see where she's using her head to send all the food all the way down. So I've let her have a little breather. I could have squeezed it all the way down, but I don't want to do that. And keep that beak nice and clean as well. There you go, all done. And you can see her crop is nice and full. She can take a little bit more, but I don't want to give her too much. There you go, good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Ah. And that's it, guys, all done. Simple as that. Few minutes, as you can see, she's all done. Come on, Scarlett. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, put it down below. If you have any better ideas, let me know. If you have any suggestions, open to everything. Thank you very much for watching, and take care, guys. Come on. Come on. Would you like to try a bit of peanuts? How about some water? So these are the other things where we're feeding them. Got nuts and all the stuff, and then you got these pellets. You can see she's really taking onto the pellets as well.